Imagine this, a place where the working man who gave his all and the spiritual woman who poured herself into others can finally come and be poured into. A place for the ones who have fallen on hard times, who've carried the weight of the world but need a hand to stand tall again. This is the vision of the House of Asseveration and Project 2045 to build campuses in every major city for our people who need more than just a break. They need a new beginning. We see you, the folks who worked double shifts until the job closed down, the mothers and fathers who prayed, fasted, and held on when there was nothing left to hold, the healers, the laborers, the spiritual soldiers who've lost their footing but not their faith. That's why we're creating places where you can come and get back on your feet, not with judgment, not with pity, but with real resources and real community. Housing support, job training, financial guidance, spiritual grounding, cultural education, a full circle of care, body, mind, and soul. By 2045, we want to see campuses across this country standing as safe havens, so when life knocks you down, you don't stay down. You come to us, and we rise together. The House of Asseveration and Project 2045 aren't just about survival. We're about restoration, about resurrection, about building something so strong that no generation after us will ever have to start from scratch again. Imagine this, and then we'll leave with us, build with us, and rise with us.